Justice Sapinka of the Supreme Court spoke about remoteness in regards to the connection between charter violations and the manner in which evidence is obtained. Although Therens and Strachan warned against over-reliance on causation and advocated an examination of the entire relationship between the charter breach and the impugned evidence, causation was not entirely discarded. Accordingly, while a temporal link will often suffice, it is not always determinative. It will not be determinative if the connection between the securing of the evidence and the breach is remote. I take remote to mean that the connection is tenuous. The concept of remoteness relates not only to the temporal connection, but to the causal connection as well. It follows that the mere presence of a temporal link is not necessarily sufficient. In obedience to the instruction that the whole of the relationship between the breach and the evidence be examined, it is appropriate for the court to consider the strength of the causal relationship. If both the temporal connection and the causal connection are tenuous, the court may very well conclude that the evidence was not obtained in a manner that infringes a right or freedom under the Charter. On the other hand, the temporal connection may be so strong that the charter breach is an integral part of a single transaction. In that case, a causal connection that is weak or even absent will be of no importance. Once the principles of law are defined, the strength of the connection between the evidence obtained and the charter breach is a question of fact. Accordingly, the applicability of Section 24(2) will be decided on a case-by-case basis as suggested by Chief Justice Dixon in Strachan.